Trai Dukan Bread Cafe hajan ke Broadway Hotel hakandai lat hak khandre tere unai tung arja arpusan kalapan map na kalong kemi ke kong bijerwa kablayo priang dau pizza obadon Ksaiñ men bakalatit yu na kete dukan men hak sau tere unai tung arja arpusan Shu hak je kran ke Trai Dukan bat ke kong bijerwa leng ba ka phone ke Trai Dukan kalau kubur ban siu bailot Ksaiñ bat kumju ka bailet by one ya kalong kemi leng ba ke Google Pay Kumban syukudau baka kong bijerwa haka santarik unai tung araja arpusan kalabut dak jimu doi haka Commissionerate of Food Safety persya ya ketiga dukan namar ke jing yok pediangin dau pizza ubaladan Ksaiñ kalaong bakala pak song artliu pizza bat uwe uruti he bat anda lapoy hayeng kala aya ki kun jengka dak ba pia marshiteng yo te pizza Henry, markum ta ikun bahe ila yo I badan bakhi apo pizza balasyam penban bodai baradan Ksaiñ Kumta halor kani ke jingmudoi ke tenat food safety kala khot ya ki Trai Dukan haki sngi bala dap pan pensyai bat kumju ya ka kong bijerwa menta ka sngi haka bakalai thu baka tenat kan penyat ya kini ki kat kum ki kendon an
Hello. Yeah, I'm Beauty Mary Jarwa. I'm the one who bought a pizza from your shop.
Okay, come. Yeah, come.
Yeah, actually, I want a refund regarding those.
The food item.
Yeah.
Okay, come.
I got your number from Commissioner.
Okay. I'm so sorry what has happened. I'm really, really sorry. I think thank you for letting me know. I'm also working on it quite badly.
Okay.
And now where are you, ma'am?
Now I'm in the office of Commissioner here in Lower Shillong. So actually, I'm not from the city. So
okay. So how do I mean, I'll come over there, or how do I refund you? I don't know. Can I GPay you?
Okay. Yes. This is my number. It's
okay. And
easy,
what was your total bill, ma'am?
490.
Okay.
490.
Ma'am, can I? Anyway, can I come? Can I? This is your personal number?
Yes, this is my personal number.
Okay.
And that day also on Friday I bought the pizza, and then Saturday I came here to the commissioner office. So actually I'm not from the city, I'm from the village. So I want to ask a refund regarding the taxi fare also. Yes, from my village to Shillong is 100 rupees.
Oh, and actually it is.
Yeah.
It's costing you your time and your
Yeah,
money,
it's costing my time and money also.
Then I'm very, very sorry this has happened, and I will definitely refund you whatever it is. And I was just thinking, where exactly can you send me your address also? I'll just send you something over. I'll send this GPay right now.
Okay.
But I wish I can compensate in some other way. I could send you something. But I would like your address. If you can message me your address. I mean, this I will GPay you just now.
Okay.
You told me 490 and plus a taxi fare and everything,
yes.
right? Okay. So you're at Ma'am Mukim's office?
Yes.
Okay. So I'll just GPay you. Okay. Give me 2 minutes, huh? In this number?
This number, yeah. My number.
Okay, so I'm doing the GPay from my personal number.
Okay.
Because the shop number I cannot do right now since I'm not in the shop.
Okay.
Is it okay?
Yeah, okay, no problem.
Okay, ma'am, I'm really, really sorry what has happened. I'm really sorry. And above all, and thank you for letting me know whatever happened. Because sometimes, we are working, but somebody else is working in the shop. Who's doing what we don't come to know.
Yes.
I'm really sorry, okay?
Okay. Mình kasih nak ada statement ya ki tu ki Trai Dukan. Te kerkom macam batai madam tentang kasih te tolong mai tu ki Dukan ru kading ketu bang lah. Nah ya tu ni si jadi itu tolong kila pedang kan tu kan badang macam baklai mak kan tong kim kerna kan ya tu kajing komplain jonga banget hit tu na Dukan itu long ki pedang bahadai na Dukan suki klam macam kerna hi kata Then pada ki long ki kat kum ka complain jonga ti madam yung menya chakmat namar dal adep nang ni mentan adep ai statement jonga tikin sa penbiang kat kum chicken don mo kat kum kendon jong ka ani itu kin sa ra syakut bat kin sa pentip yang hana ka bentaban hab di ai statement syakut kajing dong kat bang begitu trai dukan kan kajing keren jong na mentang sini tiga bebek kajing pensyai lo tu ka jing jak tu sini ba nama ka tu ka bangawan ai ka complain ka dek sak tadi de nang tang ikili ban company syai shu lo tu ka jing jak mo yang nak patai untuk membaca untuk memplay kan news mah itu di jumpa mengatir untuk dukan ye mai keren bermadam ba setengah beki asyik kiai kan ni kammo kanang ba kan dai jumpa nak patai kipai ba kakoi kiai kipai ba de klem cem kentai di kanya kan jing ya kan komplain jonga ki ya cakmat tong ba kalong ta ba kibun ki semua mendai ba tang kan ni ko kias kan kan simpor di ndai baki nung chimkia ndai chimkia kata nyai betul kendon baki sa khot du ka kut na sa ka na nakalin ko kasi hatu ni yung madam ba gitu di dukan masih ikan use untuk ten ka management jong tu dukan kila le ya ka badan kami tin kila lek ban pek ban joi mo ka don chunduna nu mo ba ki dan yo tu simpan don Ksaiñ tu de ka nakaleng madam yung ba dang mai benai mula kila ada nakaleng kini office kila ada inspect ye yang tu dukan nomor ba ki apply license de kila ada inspect kila ada ki pek tu ki bakery jingbam tu baro kalong kya kidi ki long ki ba pha ba biang mo kam don ka jing thut ni kam don kono ka jing tai khoi khia de hindai de kalian jong tanggung ni bisa bang siamenta de bat kedukan du kila priang hi ta ka jing la de nang ta yung ba kim la ban chu khang si mas yo complain tu ban chu khang kadep no ko kloi ma na mar hap yai kendon de kadai ta ka ta
Habatin pej bahagi kashab plus F
Ka plus F?
hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F hakajing som yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayen la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ai ka dur jing ki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya